And you haven't answered my question yet.
I'm not going to answer that question.
You're not?
No, I will not answer that question.
Why will you not answer that question?
Because I want to make sure that what I say is accurate, and I'm not trying to get anybody else.
I'm asking you, how did you get this information?
I'm not telling the court. What I'm saying is based upon information.
Okay, well, listen, if you don't tell me how you got this information, then you and I are going to have some problems.
We can have I have problems right now.
Okay, I know. Look, I don't want to know about your problems, okay, at this point in time. All I'm asking you at this point in time is, how did you come upon this information?
A judge in Fulton County, Georgia, paused a famous rapper's racketeering trial indefinitely this week as 3 requests for the judge's recusal are being weighed. Ural Glanville, the judge who is facing calls to step down from Young Thug's trial, first sparked controversy after he held a one-sided, closed-door meeting known as an ex parte meeting with prosecutors and a key witness in the case. Glanville announced he would follow court rules and transfer the request for his recusal to another judge, who will now decide Glanville's fate while the trial remains paused. The announcement marked the latest twist in a drawn-out trial that has been plagued with controversy from its outset. Young Thug and 27 others were charged more than 2 years ago with RICO violations, murder, armed robbery, and illegal possession of firearms. The trial began about 8 months ago, and that was preceded by a difficult 10-month jury selection process. Glanville, the judge facing recusal calls, was also sharply criticized by legal observers for his reaction when Young Thug's attorney confronted him about the ex parte meeting. Instead of addressing the meeting directly, Glanville demanded Young Thug's attorney disclose how he found out about the meeting. The attorney, named Brian Steele, refused to say where he got the information, leading Glanville to order police to detain Steele on the spot for contempt of court.
That's attorney-client privilege information. I am not
attorney-client privilege, unless you were in my chambers. That's the only way you can figure out.
I tell you
what, I'm going to give you 5 minutes. If you don't tell me if you don't tell me who it is, I'm going to put you in, I'm going to put you in contempt, because that is not attorney-client privilege.
Attorney work product privilege. I am not.
How did you get that information supposedly from my chambers? Did somebody tell you?
I'm not. You should have told me. You got 5 minutes.
Steele is one of the lawyers calling for Glanville to step down from the case, and he has also called for the entire case to be tossed out, arguing Glanville's ex parte meeting amounted to witness intimidation. Separately, Steele is fighting Glanville's contempt allegations. Young Thug's trial will remain on hold until another judge in Fulton County decides if Glanville should continue to oversee the trial. Ashley Oliver for the Washington Examiner.